Time now for a bite, or well, it's a bite of the week, but in this case, it's a bites of the week, and they come from two vendors at the Charles Gordon Market in St. James who are outraged at the Public Health Department about what they feel was an easy let-off for the operator of a wholesale who dumped spoilt meat on the streets.
One of the vendors even had concerns that the spoilt meat could find its way back on the menu. Here's our bites of the week.
Bite of the week.
How do you same thing over and pay money again? When this man come to market is a disaster. I think enjoying dead meat, milk, dead thinking milk all about in the market. And he pay rubbish man going to copy. He no fear and watch it out. Nobody not lock him up. So Chinaman never get locked up. No matter what they do, them pay their money because we don't have money so we can't pay on them. We have to go to jail. Them pay their money and get away.
Anyone can come and take up all those chicken foot what they throw out there, wash it off and sell to other people, and then use it and make soup and sell to other people, and we get sick.
Bite of the week.